At number 1, we have the Omaton 360 rotating phone tripod. This compact, lightweight aluminum magnetic phone tripod is the ultimate travel essential for steady photos, videos, and vlogs. It features ultra-strong N52 magnets for a quick 1-second MagSafe attachment, compatible with iPhone 12 and later, plus MagSafe cases. And don't worry, Android users, a metal ring is included for non-magnetic phones. The 360-degree rotating head and multi-axis adjustment let you switch between portrait and landscape for the perfect shot every time. With adjustable legs and a sturdy clamp, it provides stable support on any surface, avoiding the frustration of propping your phone against unstable objects. Weighing just 158 grams, its foldable design packs into any day pack or luggage without adding bulk. It's perfect for group photos, scenic views, hands-free viewing, and is your reliable partner for travel, the gym, and everyday use. The Omaton 360 rotating phone tripod, the number 1 tool for capturing your world hands-free.
At number 2, we have the MiiKARE airplane travel phone holder. Tired of arm cramps on long flights? This universal holder securely clips to most tray tables and offers 360-degree rotation for the perfect viewing angle, vertically or horizontally. But it's not just for planes. Its strong padded clamp works on luggage handles, so the entertainment never stops. It's the perfect desk stand for work calls or your new favorite kitchen assistant for following recipes. And when you're done, it folds flat and pocket size for easy travel. The MiiKARE phone holder, a true must-have travel accessory that makes every journey more relaxing and enjoyable.
At number 3, we have the Life 360 Tile Bluetooth Tracker. This compact device helps prevent the stress of losing your essentials while traveling. Attach it easily to your keys, bags, or backpacks using the built-in loop. No extra accessories needed. Use the free Life 360 app to ring the device with a loud sound or view its last known location on a map up to 350 feet away. And here's a clever trick. Press the tile to ring your phone even if it's on silent. It even includes a discreet SOS feature to alert your trusted circle in unsafe situations. With a long-lasting 3-year battery, water resistance, and seamless app integration, it's the reliable companion you can count on. Never lose your stuff again.
At number 4, we have the Ventar Universal Travel Adapter. This is an all-in-one 6-in-1 adapter for international trips, covering outlets in over 150 countries with Type-I, C, and I plugs. It features 1 universal AC outlet and 5 USB ports, allowing up to 6 devices to charge at once for ultimate convenience. Despite its powerful capacity, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it the perfect space-saving travel companion. Safety is key with a built-in safety shutter and an overload protection fuse, plus an LED power indicator for peace of mind. Remember, this is a plug adapter only, not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices are dual voltage before use. The Ventar Universal Travel Adapter, reliable, convenient, and an essential for any modern traveler.
At number 5, we have the Trubetter Portable Folding Travel Hangers. Don't let their lightweight fool you. Each hanger weighs just 1 ounce, but can hold up to 10 pounds of gear. The genius tri-fold design collapses to phone size for packing, then expands into a full-size sturdy hanger. And they're incredibly easy to use. Just unfold and they're ready to go in seconds. You get a set of 10 in fun colors, perfect for keeping the whole family's clothes organized and wrinkle-free. They're ideal for any trip, whether you're staying in a hotel, cruising the Caribbean, or camping in the mountains. No more dealing with wet swimsuits or limited closet space. These hangers are a travel game changer. Save space and keep your clothes crisp. The Trubetter travel hangers are an essential for any journey.
At number 6, we have the ALMING Compression Bags for travel. These no-vacuum roll-to-compress bags are a game changer. Just pack, seal, and roll. No pump or electricity needed. Watch the magic happen as they shrink bulky items by up to 75%, freeing up massive suitcase space. Made from durable material with double zippers and a one-way valve, they protect your clothes from moisture, dust, and odors. Go from this to this. Perfect for travel, seasonal storage, or organizing your drawers at home. ALMING Compression Bags, your ultimate partner for stress-free travel and a tidy home.
At number 8, we have the Velcro brand reusable cable ties. Tired of this tangled mess? Cables everywhere. Impossible to find the one you need. These pre-cut ties are the easy fix. Just wrap, insert the end through the slot, and pull tight. It's that simple. They're soft yet incredibly strong, protecting your valuable cables from damage and kinks. Perfect for your travel tech kit, keeping everything compact and easy to find on the go. And a game changer for desk organization, giving you that satisfying clutter-free look. Convenient, durable, and reusable. The Velcro brand cable ties are the ultimate cable management solution.
At number 10, we have the Gear Aid Tenacious Tape Hex. These peel and stick patches are your fast, no-sew fix for rips and tears in any outdoor gear. First, clean and dry the damaged area. The ultra-strong adhesive bonds to nearly any technical fabric. Simply peel off the backing and apply with pressure. The hex design fits perfectly along seams and zippers. It creates a weatherproof, long-lasting repair that's nearly invisible. Perfect for jackets, tents, backpacks, and more. Don't let a tear end your adventure. Get Tenacious Tape Hex and get back outside.
Tired of dealing with no place to dry your clothes when you travel? At number 7, we have the ultimate solution. Meet the EXVITAL portable travel clothesline. This compact 11.5-foot wonder is a game changer for any trip. It's incredibly lightweight and packs down small. Just stretch it between hooks or suction cups and you're ready to go. The genius is in the 24 beads that hold your clothes securely without any clothespins. Perfect for delicates. Whether you're in a hotel, RV, tent, or on a cruise ship, it's weather resistant for indoor or outdoor use. Wake up to dry clothes and pack them right away. The EXVITAL clothesline is the ultimate travel hack for any trip.
At number 9, we have the TUNENGE Mini EDC Keychain Flashlight. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny 21-gram flashlight is an absolute powerhouse. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum, it's built to last and goes wherever you do. Unleash 650 lumens of brightness with a beam that cuts through the dark for over 300 feet. With convenient USB-C charging, it's ready to go in just 45 minutes and runs for up to 40 hours. It's IP66 waterproof and can take a 1.5-meter drop. Rain or shine, it's ready for anything. From your keychain to your backpack, it's